Welcome to the first episode of Working Smarter, Not Harder. I'm going to teach you how to make a password encoded answer key or anything that you want your students to only access when you want. First, you're going to go to New. You're going to create a new Google form. And obviously, you fill in the whole top part, whatever you want. The key here is to go ahead and add a second section. This first section, when you're going to change that question to a short answer. And we want to change our first question to what is the password? Now here's the trick. That's all well and good, but it doesn't do anything. We want to make it required. But once you drop these three buttons down and choose response validation, that's where everything's going to change. I'm going to change this in this case to text. And the text is going to be math rules because, it does. And then a custom error, thou shall not pass. And that's for those students who just start trying passwords and can't get in. Every time they try it, it'll just say thou shall not pass. So this is the best thing because now in order for them to access section 2, they have to have the answer for section 1. Now, once you have that done, I'm super lazy, guys. So I am just going to add images. I take screenshots of my answer keys and I just drag and drop into the paper. And here is their answer key. Pretty cool, right? Here's an additional thing you can do. I have mine all matching in Pear Deck, so they'll have the work with them and then they'll have the answer key that matches. And then I created an additional Pear Deck that allows them to put in their own grading. Now this is for star review, so they are tracking their data. So this is a great way that students can track their data on a daily or weekly basis. And you can see it's aligned with standards and it's just the assessment date and their grades. And it's a quick way for them to keep track of the data and for you to look at it as well. That's all I have for you today. Have a great day.